this is Jolting Johnathan with Mad Science of Southern Massachusetts and Rhode Island. Welcome back to another one of our exciting science videos. Today, I want to do a magic trick, but actually it's not a magic trick. It's actually a science experiment. Who has ever seen a magician grab a tablecloth, yank it, and pull, and things stay on the table? It looks like magic. Well, I've got bad news for you. It's actually science. It's actually a physics experiment. See, what happens is it's actually an inertia experiment. And inertia, as we've talked about before, an object at rest wants to stay at rest. And when a magician pulls that tablecloth, he's actually using inertia. And I'm going to do it for you right now. And I've actually got some stuff on a tablecloth right here. As we can see, I've got a paper plate and a plastic cup and some plastic silverware because, to be honest, I'm going to do this wrong the first time, and I want to show you why this works. But in order to show you why it works, I need to do it wrong, because these things don't weigh a lot. There's not a lot of mass to them. Because there's not a lot of mass, it's not going to work very well. See, some of it stayed, but that plate fell because it doesn't have a lot of mass. So in order to make this work, we're not going to use plastic. We're not going to use paper. I'm going to take my tablecloth, we're going to put it back, and then we're going to get a glass plate. And then, you know what? I've got this plastic. I know it's plastic, but you know, hey, don't judge me. I've got this plastic bowl. We're going to put the plastic bowl right there. And then, oh, look, check this out. Real glass. And then, you know what? As if the glass doesn't make it dangerous enough, let's get some sharp metal objects to put in there. So if I mess this up, they go flying around. And then, you know what? As if that wasn't tricky enough, let's make everything really, really wet. So I'm going to just pour this water in there. So we've got some heavy water. So we've got water. We're going to fill that glass up with water as well. Now, a lot of people say the water is making it dangerous. Actually, the water isn't making it dangerous. It's making it easier. Because I put that water in there, water is heavy. When I put that water in there, it makes everything really heavy and adds mass. Mass will increase the inertia. The heavier things are, the more inertia they have. The more inertia they have, the easier this experiment is. All I have to do is pull that tablecloth really fast. And in order to do that, I'm going to pull this straight down. That's going to decrease the friction. If I pull up a little bit or I pull straight out, I might run the risk of increasing the friction. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to pull straight down. I'm almost going to punch my hands straight down. Now, do you ever try this at home? No. Go to a friend's house. It's much safer. No, I'm kidding. Please do not do this at home. I'm a trained professional, and I'm going to let you guys in on a secret. I've done this experiment over 500 times, and I still get nervous every time I do this, because if I mess this up, it's going to be glass all over me, sharp pieces of metal, and water all over me, and I don't want that, okay? So are you ready? No, seriously, I'm a little nervous, so, you know, bear with me, okay? Like, seriously, I'm a little nervous, okay? Relax, okay? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Just like that. All because of inertia. Those things stayed there perfectly because of inertia. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed watching our amazing science experiment, not a magic trick. Once again, I'm Jolting Johnathan with Mad Science of Southern Massachusetts and Rhode Island. Is there something you want to know? Is there a scientific question you have been dying to know the answer for? Well, if there is, send us an email. Write us an email on our Facebook page. Write us an email to our email address. Go to our website. Let us know. We want to answer your questions. Once again, thank you to Fall River Media Center. Thank you to Bristol Community College for letting us use their amazing studio. Thank you to my friends up there in the booth. You guys have been fabulous letting us come to your studio and record and helping us out. We have had a wonderful time, and we will be back with more science videos. Thank you guys for watching. Want to know something? Send us an email on Facebook. Send us an email to our website.